Hey students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to start assignment part under the enterprise structure. As of now, we have successfully completed the definition under enterprise structure. Now the another leg would be we need to complete the assignment part, assignment of the different components which we have created under definition tab. So with that, let me type SPRO. So process and the path is still remains same. So we need to type SPRO, then go to the implementation guide. Expand the enterprise structure. As of now, we have completed the definition. Under definition, we have worked on financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, sales and distribution, material management, and logistic execution. So under definition, we have created the standalone components. Under assignment, we need to make the assignment so that we can create one complete packet of enterprise structure for the further transactions. Okay, so rest of the thing remains same. So for the definition, we can still follow the documentation tab, and we need to just make the assignments. If you see the first assignment under financial accounting, where system is asking to assign company code to company, so try to execute. Here we need to find the code which we have created under definition. So we have created RCC1 as a company code, so I need to type RCC1 as company code here. So simply so I am assigning one company with the company code. Now you can see, try to save, change your CR to RCC1. Simple, click OK. That's all, your assignment has been completed. Same way, go back, then assign company code to credit control area. Perfect. We can assign, find out your company code, RCC1. Perfect. Then assign the credit control area. I think somebody has made the wrong assignment, so what I'll do, I'll remove it, and I can say RCC1 would be my credit control area. Press enter once. If there is no error, then try to save the record, select your CR. That's all. You have done the assignment of RCC1. The company code RCC1 has been assigned with the credit control area RCC1. Perfect. Go back. So let me complete the controlling part as well today. So click on the controlling, then assign company code to the controlling area. Now, so this was the credit control area. Now I am going to assign controlling area. Execute, find out your your credit control area, controlling area. Please don't be confused between credit control area and controlling area. Okay, so currently I am doing the assignment for the controlling area, not for the credit control area. Perfect. So select the line, double click on the assignment of company code, click the new entry, type your company code here. The moment you type, then system will show the name of that particular company. Then try to save the record. Select the CR. That's all. You have done the assignment of company code with the controlling area. Okay, so go back. I think that's all. In my next video, I'll try to cover logistic general, and then we will continue our journey for the sales and distribution, then material management, logistic and execution. After making all the assignment, we will be making the check at the consistency check, so that we will be able to know what kind of data still need to be updated. Till the time, please do the practice. If you have any question, please feel free to connect with me over the email, or you can also use the chat section. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.